The redesigned 2024 Subaru Impreza and Subaru Crosstrek, both small cars, qualify for awards from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety thanks to improvements in side crash protection and the elimination of subpar headlight options. Both of the redesigned vehicles come with good headlights across the board. Previously, some trim lines of the Crosstrek had poor headlights and some Impreza trims had marginal ones. The two vehicles also have standard front crash prevention that earns a superior rating in both the daytime and nighttime vehicle-to-pedestrian tests. The Impreza is now only available as a wagon. The sedan has been discontinued.